What's up, guys? Today we're gonna be talking about the dodo bird. This dodo bird is an extinct animal. This animal is very extinct, and also mammoths and the dinosaurs. But today we're gonna be trying to know why did even the dodo die. First, they have gray skin, or maybe other skin. What has gray colors? Rocks? Yes. Also, what else? Stone. Also, meteors. The obvious answer is like meteors, everyone would say. But I think it's the volcanoes, because look at this. See, they literally have red on their beaks. And what could be red? Lava and blood. So, see what I'm talking about? We're getting farther and farther. So, we got wait. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. If we just zoom in, see the blood part, or should I say lava? Now, also, how do they have gray skin or feathers? What could do that? Dust. And where does dust come from? Asteroids, I think. So, the dodos may have died from asteroids. That is the question, but no one knows the answer. Maybe it's a meteor. Bye!